Hi, I'm Ashley, and this here's my friend Mia. Today we're going to talk about nouns. Are you ready? Let's go. There are many types of words or parts of speech that make up a sentence. You may have heard of them: nouns, verbs, conjunctions, and adjectives. In this lesson, we're going to talk about nouns. A noun is a word that is a person, place, thing, or idea. Let's go over some examples. A noun can be a person, such as a child, or a musician, or even your best friend. I played with a friend at the park. Friend is a person noun. A noun can be a place, such as Texas, a restaurant, or the park. I like going to the zoo. Zoo is a place noun. A noun can be a thing, such as a cup of water, a dog, or a cake. Food is cooking on the stove. Food and stove are thing nouns. Ideas are nouns that cannot be seen, touched, or heard. They are not physical objects. Each of these means something different to each person, so you cannot physically see it or touch it. Hope, dreams, and joy are idea nouns. I have a dream. In this sentence, dream is an idea noun. Okay, now let's practice. Every sentence has to have a noun. So what are some good nouns to put in these sentences? My blank is brown. What could be brown? Maybe a dog. Maybe a blanket. Maybe it's my hair. How about the next one? I like ice cream, cats. Let's look at the last one. We are going to the store, park, zoo. These are all nouns. Great job. Let's review. Nouns are words that represent a person, place, thing, or idea. All right, now practice what you've learned with our online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.
Hey!